So hey guys, welcome back to Cracku JEE. 12,000 plus free JEE topic wise questions and 7,000 plus questions have video solutions by expert IIT and faculties. We have launched our biggest free JEE question bank, and this has 12,000 plus questions, and this is designed by Srikanth sir, all India rank 20 in JEE Advanced, IIT Bombay alumni. So guys, all you need to do is just Google search Cracku JEE questions, tap on the first link, you will come to this page, and in this page we have segregated all the 12,000 questions topic wise and subject wise. So let us say you want to practice in physics work energy power. You need to go to this tab and tap practice now in work energy power. So guys, before we move on, do check out our YouTube channel Cracku JEE Prep and subscribe us guys. It really motivates me and the team behind the scenes to push high quality video content for all of you guys. When you tap it, you will see year wise we have separated all the PYQs of this specific topic, and all these questions have video solutions and text solutions also. Let us say you want to practice this question, right? In this, you will see view explanation button. You will tap here and you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have segregated these questions year wise for all the questions that come under this topic. And these questions have video solutions also. When you come down, let's say this question you tried and you want to see the explanation. Here is the explanation, and if you want to further understand how to solve this question with multiple methods, right, you will tap video solution here. And guys, the video solution will appear here which you can play and understand. So guys, you can also share this question with your friend by tapping on this share button, and if you want to download these questions as a PDF form, you need to come to the top of this page and you will tap this button, download JEE Work Energy Power PDF, and it will be downloaded and you can open it then. So guys, as you can see, the PDF is open now, and this PDF has all those questions, right? You can see the question, try to solve it, and if you want to see the video solution, you will tap here and you will be directly redirected to the question page which has the video solution of this question, and you can play and learn from here. Do check out our YouTube channel Cracku JEE Prep and subscribe us guys. It really motivates me and the team behind the scenes to push high quality video content for all of you guys.